so today I'm going to be showing you how to share archived classrooms with your colleagues. So this is a result of a question that we had through from one of our support tickets. So here I'm just going to go into this Google Classroom here. I'm just going to archive it, which basically means that it's not a live classroom. It goes into our archive classes, which means I can still access it and I can still use the resources from it. However, what I want to do is I want to share this classroom instance with one of my colleagues. So what I can do here is I press the three dots. I can click the copy. Now what this will do is it will create a copy and it will make it a live classroom, but it doesn't have any students in it. So this will create that Google Classroom. It will make it live. And then from your side of things as a teacher, what you're able to then do is go into that classroom instance, go into your people, and there you can add any teachers that you want to share this particular classroom instance with all of the resources, all of the courseworks that you've set in there. So I'm going to share it with one here, but it won't work because it's an external one. But this is how you can then share those archive classrooms with your colleagues, and then your colleagues are able to then archive them themselves and use them within their own classroom instance should they want to. Thank you for listening.